Welcome to the Mueller Electric Close-Up Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our M8 connector size. Our M8 cable assembly is used in applications including actuators, PLCs, input-output boxes, sensors, and switches for many industries such as food and beverage processing, machine building, rubber and plastics, textile and printing presses, and HVAC system valves. The M8 circular connectors are known for their miniature size and are smaller than an M12 connector, typically featuring a thread of 8 mm. The connectors offer a reliable and secure connection, making them ideal for space-constrained installations. The M8 connector configuration is male or female, with various orientations available in straight, right angle, and open end. All lengths available: 24 and 26 AWG, and 3, 4, and 5 pin positions and other pin configurations available. Mueller Electric's M8 instrumentation cable is overmolded and shielded or unshielded. Shielding consists of central conductors surrounded by a layer of insulation, while the cable is surrounded by a shield of braided metal or foil. Shielded cable is used to protect against interference from external electromagnetic fields generated by power lines, motors, and other electrical equipment. Cable shielding is used in applications where high levels of shielding are required to reduce the amount of EMI, electromagnetic interference. The M8 cable assembly is offered in PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PUR, polyurethane, and silicone cable insulations. PVC is known for durability, flexibility, and resistance to water and chemicals, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. PUR offers good resistance against abrasion, oil, and ozone. Silicone cable material is for flexibility, high temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, and continual motion applications such as robotic and drag chain. It is important to choose the right type of cable for a specific application to ensure that it can withstand the conditions it will be exposed to and provide reliable performance. Mueller Electric's M8 instrumentation cable complies with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0. Our cables are RoHS 3 and REACH compliant, CE certified, and IP68 safety rated. Our M8 cables are made at our headquarters in Akron, Ohio, USA. When you partner with Mueller Electric, you can count on durable, reliable, and accurate products every time. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and electronic distribution partners. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.